Hey everyone, I'm Drake with Keep Supply, and here with me today is Grant Woodworth from Vilter Manufacturing, and we're going to talk to you guys a little bit about preventative maintenance. Grant, we both know that preventative maintenance is one of the best things you can do to keep a compressor running smoothly for decades. What does Vilter recommend as a service schedule for their recip compressors?
First, we recommend annual oil analysis or any time that you believe your oil to be contaminated. Beyond that, we like to follow a 4-year service cycle. Year 1 and 3, we recommend a top end overhaul, and we make this easy by providing service kits such as this. On year 2, we recommend a major overhaul kit, which includes the top end components plus piston rings and connection rod bearings. Then on year 4, we recommend the major overhaul plus pistons and liners. Beyond that, you just repeat the cycle.
It's a pretty easy schedule to remember. Year 1, we're going to do the top end overhaul. Year 2, major overhaul. Year 3, top end overhaul again. Year 4, major overhaul again, except this time with liners and pistons. We also want to make sure we're being diligent about checking the oil health. Let's take a look at what's inside the top end overhaul kit.
So today we have a service kit for a 456 XL reciprocating compressor. In this kit, you'll get your water jacket and cylinder cover gaskets, your suction and discharge valve plates, your valve springs, oil filter, and handhole and suction screen gaskets.
In addition to the convenience and comprehensiveness of this kit, is it also more cost effective?
Yes, buying this kit will not only save you money, it's going to save you time.
Thanks, Grant. These preventative maintenance kits are one of the best things you can do to minimize unscheduled downtime. Keep those ice rings frozen and manufacturing lines running. You can find these kits and more at keepsupply.com or contact one of our parts pros today.